So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can normalize the audio of the clip that you have added on the timeline of DaVinci. Now, if you notice that some of the clips have higher sound quality or higher sound speed, and some of them are having low sound volume. Now, in order to get that toggle, just simply right click on the clip that you want to compensate the audio for, or you can select multiple clips together as well. Now, here you see this option that says normalize audio levels. Click over there, and from here you need to select a target level and make sure that the set level is selected to relative. And from here you can normalize mode. You can select multiple options that are available for you. You can select the presets as well, like Netflix and YouTube. Once you do it, hit normalize, and you'll notice that the volume of every clip has been normalized, that it's selected, and now the high volume have been compensated, and it will now sound very well.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.